Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the lower function in today's video. So lower function is a string function in SQL and it helps to convert all the letters in the specific string to a lower case. If there are characters in the string that are not letters, they are unaffected with this function. So suppose there is a string in your table, or if there is a column in a table which has a string as well as numbers, then it won't affect that particular column. But if the column contains only string, then it will convert that column into the lower case. So most often this lower function is used whenever you have to convert a particular column into lowercase and search for a particular pattern, then this lower function is used. But in this video we are just going to see a simple implementation of the lower function. So we have a table here, subscriber base, and if I run this query, select star from email data.subscriber base, then I have all the details of the subscribers, right? Now what I want to do is that I just want to convert all of this first name and last name into the lower case. As you can see here is that the first character of the first name is in capital, while the first character of this last name is also in capital. So I just want to convert entire thing into a lowercase characters. So what I can do is that I can put select first name, and this will be the original first name column that we have in our table, and then I will use the lowercase function which is lower, and I'll put this first name column over here and I'll rename it as first name in lowercase. Similarly, I'll use the second name column. So instead of writing everything, I just copy pasted it and I'll put last name, and then the last name within this lower function. I'll just replace this first name with this last name in lowercase. Now if I run this query, I have first name the way it was originally in our table, first name in the lowercase, then the last name the way it was originally in our table, and the last name in lowercase. Now you can see here for each and every name the first character was in caps or it's in capital. With this lower function you can see that the capital letter has been converted into the lowercase character. So this is how basically you can use the lower function to convert in the specific string to a lowercase. Now if you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right side of this video, or if you're interested in Excel, you can click on the left side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.